Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner here. Today got another fun one for you. Today we've got an unboxing for you. That's right. We do have, and this is by team member Zach's recommendation, we do have a gaming chair here that we did pick up from Newegg.com, and we're going to do an unboxing for you guys. That's right. You guys can see it right over my shoulder here. It even says gaming chair. But you can see right here over my left-hand shoulder, you can see that we've got the link for you, as always, in the description down below. You guys can do your own research so you guys can see if this gaming chair is right for you. But yeah, the team out here, we've all got these gaming chairs. Want to show you guys a little bit here about this gaming chair, talk with you a little bit about it. We'll unbox it and do a couple other things. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, it's Wes, not your normal miner. Thanks for stopping in. Let's go for a ride.
As always, guys, please do your own research. Like we said in the description down below, we'll have a link so you can check out this gaming chair, office chair. It's ergonomic high back PC desk chair with height adjustment, swivel rocker with headrest, lumbar support, lumbar pillow. Looks like it's got pretty much all the bells and whistles that we would need to keep our backs nice and straight while we're out here hashing away, hammering away at the mining farm. But as always, guys, comment down below. Let us know if there's a better chair that you guys have or that you found over on Newegg.com. Or if you have this chair, comment down below. Let other people know what you think about it. One thing I will say is we had 3 of these come all at once, and they were actually all bundled together. Not the best way to transfer these. We'll show you here as we get into this unboxing a little bit of damage and stuff. But in the description down below, we'll have links to this. If you're new to the channel, in the upper right-hand corner, hit that subscription icon. That way you can keep up with all of our other unboxings. Another one that we have is we are going to do an unboxing of an 3060. That's right, we got a 3060 coming in. We're going to see if we can't unnerf that and see if we can get it to 50 mega hash on Ethereum. But we'll do an unboxing. We've got an Asus ROG 3060 coming in. Really excited about that. But we better get into this unboxing here of this gaming chair, computer chair, office chair, ergonomic high back PC desk chair. This thing has the height adjustment, swivel rockers, and you can pick it up over on Newegg.com. So let's gripper and ripper. Here, we'll show you guys this box here. You guys can kind of see all the way around it. This is how one of these comes. We had another one that didn't have any damage to it whatsoever, and then we had one that did have some damage. You can see here for shipping, we've got a big old hole right here. Hopefully everything's on the inside. But like I said, this is the gaming chair. So let's get into this thing so you guys in the community can let us know what you think about this gaming chair. Is it worth it? Is it not? We aren't going to put it together, but you will see it in one of our Worker Work series. You'll definitely see us using it out here at the GPU Mining Farm. It's definitely wrapped up, that's for sure. They got a lot of tape on here. But like you said, they put 3 of these things together, and this thing is heavy. I mean heavy. It took me and Zach, one of our team members here, to get 3 of these out of his vehicle. Could not believe how heavy these things were. But these came highly recommended. I've never had a gaming chair like this before, so we're really excited to see how this cracks open here. Alrighty, so comment down below, do you guys think there's going to be any damage with that big old hole in the side of it? So far so good, things look pretty intact. First piece out, you will see, is the bottom. This is where the wheels are going to go. So that looks pretty good. We're okay with that. Next piece out, and we'll put this on a table here so you guys can see everything. Next piece out, we've got, looks like the back support right here for you guys to see. Came nice and packaged. That looks pretty good, nice and fresh and clean. We like to call that pack fresh. You got your lumbar support right here. Like I said, guys, in the description down below, we got a link to this. I'm excited to have a chair like this. I'm hoping this makes my back feel a lot better, and I know the other guys of the team, they are excited about this as well. And we got 3 of these, so we're going to be able to see if these things actually hold up to getting beat up, getting used on a day-to-day basis. This is very, very heavy, guys. This has some good feel to it. Hopefully it lasts. We've also got a box of goodies. And most important thing, the cranker and spanker, guys. Here you go. So, definitely know if you guys are new to the channel, it's a good time. Like we talked about earlier, hit that subscription icon so you can keep up with our other unboxings. We've got some instructions there. But let's bring everything back so you can see it. This is the gaming chair. A gaming chair, computer chair, office chair, all sorts of chair that we picked up from Newegg.com. It was on sale at the time that we got it. It's an ergonomic support, so we are really excited to try it out. We spend quite some time out here at the farm, so that's why these things are needed. I know a lot of you guys have these types of chairs at home. Please comment down below. Let us know if there's a different option, a better option that we can get next time, or that the community can get. Let's get back to showing you guys the rest of the parts here. Like I said, it came, you know, this bottom piece here is nice. Got a lot of stability. We've got 2 arm rests that came with this. So I know you guys are itching to see what's inside this box right here. And by the way, when we started to record this video, we had a knife. I don't know where we placed it. There's a lot of places to lose things out here at the mining farm. So it came with all the hardware kind of in a little package like that. Part of the seat right here. Let's see, we'll back that up. Those will definitely go together. You got your racing stripe wheels right here. These are nice and blue. Love the color. Love that color. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you keep an eye out for that hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. You can see we're wearing the Bitcoin word cloud short from Savage Mine. That is from over at DogeLordApparel.com. We got some of that swag as well on, so make sure you guys check out hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. So that's everything that was in that box there. So we are going to start wrapping things up. You can see here's your lumbar support. Once again, that's nice and steady. It does look like all of the pieces. There's the lumbar, the back support, as well as the wheels for that. So that does look like that is everything that we need to get that started. If you guys like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Let us know. We will get these things together today. You'll see these in some future Worker Work series. Like I said, huge shout out Doge Lord Apparel. We'll have a link to that in the description as well. We are going to start doing e-gift cards for that hashtag Crypto Swag Friday. We're going to give one of those away every week. But here's that Savage Coin BitCloud word short, Bitcoin BitCloud word shirt that we were talking about. This chair looks pretty sweet. We can't wait to sit our rear end in it. My name's Wes. I'm not your normal miner. Thank you guys for your time. Check out that link below if you guys want to pick up this chair. Thank you guys. Have a great day.